So if you have a 2001 to 2005 is300 differential that's been separated from its chassis and doesn't have the stupid sticker on the bottom anymore, or isn't clearly readable anymore, it's pretty easy to tell the two apart in terms of whether they're for an automatic or a manual, and I will put details in the video notes about the models and ratios. But this is an M85, and I've marked this position for 12 o'clock here, and then I've made these to act as seals, and I've got that at 12 o'clock on a mark. You can pop a dowel in there, or even just use a clockmaker marker, or some number of things. But if you turn this half turn here, whole turn, that's 1, 2 whole turns, 3 whole turns. Now on this last one here, when I complete my 4th full turn and I'm back to 12 o'clock here, I'll be well past 12 o'clock here on the M85 and other similarly ratioed differentials. And this guy is an M98, and if I turn him half, whole, half, whole, half, and then here we come up on whole, and on the 4th one, I'm almost in the same position as before. So closer to the 1:4 ratio. So the math is pretty obvious when you check it that way. And again, the notes will be in the video below.